Hey everybody, this is Rob Harrell at MarineMax in Charleston. Today we are looking at a 2025 Sea Ray SPX 190. It actually is packaged with a convenient swing tongue trailer. It's in black and white. This boat is powered by a Mercury 150 horsepower. Let's hop on board and check this thing out. I'm standing on board the SPX 190. Such a great boat for family and friends, whether you're on saltwater, freshwater. This boat holds 10 people. For a 19-foot boat, that's pretty outstanding. We do have a ski tow bar. This boat is also equipped with a water sports tower, so you can ski and wakeboard from the top of this as well. Tons of storage on the outboard model. Plenty of places to put stuff. This as well. This boat is equipped with a GPS, stereo upgraded sound system with subwoofers, ski locker in the floor. You have coolers built into the seats. You have no excuse not to go out and have a good time on this boat. Also have a passenger convertible seat where you can face forward or rear. Flip up bolstering in the pilot seat so you can stand and have plenty of room. This boat does have a bow filler option as well with a removable backrest so you can seal the entire bow out. Thanks for joining me on this walk through the SPX 190. If you would like to see us, you can see it at MarineMaxCharleston.com. You can reach us at 843-747-1889. Let's get on the water.